So, you want to know how to open a door when you press the key in Unreal Engine 4. Let's get right into that. So here we have a level I built. It's very simple. You can just walk up to this door here. I just added a blocking volume since this door has no collision on it. But you can use this if you have a door that does have collision on it. You won't need to add this blocking volume. It's just an extra step. Anyway, so to get started, we need to animate the door opening. Now you could use sequencing, and I'll do some videos on sequencing at some point, but Matinee is extremely easy and fast to do. So we'll click on the door, select that, right click, empty group, and name it door. Then right click again, movement track, boom. Go to about 0.5 seconds in, click, and go back into this, rotate it 90 degrees. We're going to do basically the same thing with this. Call this collision. You will obviously won't have to do this if you have a door that already has collision on it. Movement track. Once again, add a thing here and move it. Alright, now that that's done, you're going to go into the blueprint, the level blueprint. So open level blueprint. Alright, so now that we're in the level blueprint, we're going to grab from the editor, select our Matinee actor, or you'd get a reference to your sequence if that's how you were animating it, and you're just going to drag it out and you're going to press play. But now we need a way for it to be played, like when is it getting played? So we're going to hit compile and really simply go into volumes and trigger volume. So drag that in there, put that down. Alright, that's good. So now that that's there, we're going to open up the level blueprint again. Going to add an event and add on actor begin overlap. And what this basically is going to mean is whenever the character is in this box, it's an invisible box, and whenever the character is in that, it's going to do something. We have a variable here that we created. All you have to do is press create variable. I named it indoor area. It's just a boolean simple red variable. It's the default variable type that you create. It's really simple. It's basically just a binary variable. So we're going to set it, and so when you go into the box, yes, you're close enough to the door. Then you're going to right click again, add an event, and you're going to end overlap. So when you leave the box, copy paste. So when you enter the box, yes, you are in the area. When you leave it, no, you are no longer in the area. And we're going to right click, get an event, begin, play, and then copy the one here. And this means as soon as the game starts, of course our spawn point is over here, so we're not there. So as soon as the game starts, you're not in there. So what does this mean? Well, we're going to want a branch. You're going to want to right click and a branch. And then the condition, we're going to drag this out, and this time we're going to get it. And now the condition is this. So if it's true, if it's checked, then play that. So right now, whenever this branch is activated, which isn't activated yet, it's going to check using this if you're in this little box, and if you are, then it's going to open the door. So it's only going to check when you press whatever key you want. So I'm going to put keyboard, and let's scroll up and let's choose E. So whenever E is pressed, it's going to check if you're in the area, and if you are, then it's going to play that. So click compile, boom, press play, and let's take a look. I can go in, can walk out, can press E, nothing happens, but only when I go in, I press E, opens up the door. If I press play again, as soon as I'm in, press E, nothing happens, go in, press E, boom. So that is how you create simple door opening mechanic in Unreal Engine. Hope this has been a help to you guys. Tell me in the comments what you want me to cover next in my next tutorial, and I'll see you next time.